Welcome today in front of me SONY Xperia 10.3 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first you should go to the Play Store and here in the search pool type the green Apple keyboard. Now just we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a few seconds while application installing on your device. Now just open the application, tap to enable in settings, and here you can see the green Apple keyboard switcher. Just tap on the switcher and tap to OK twice to confirm. Now just go to the switch input methods and switch it to the English United States keyboard. So that's it. Now just we'll check, and for example we'll start chatting with someone, for example with HardReset, and when you text your message you can see that your keyboard is so close to the iPhone keyboard as the emojis. Yes, that's really close. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.